children, hello. So today we are going to start chapter 6 of Civics, Understanding Media and Advertising. So let's start the topic. Children, as we live in the fast changing world, yes, every day new invention, new technology, the new ideas we get. So that significant political and economic developments along with the changes in the field of communication technology. So today we can say variety of this source of for the communication especially. So toward the end of the 20th century have a left deep impact on many of our institutions. Media is one such institution which has influenced our ways of life. Really, media which has influenced our way of life, even it is shaped up our ideas also and other aspect of life also. In developing countries, children such as India, mass communication has been effectively utilized for development purpose. It means the mass media we are using for the development purpose. In mass communication, children, media has positive role to play in the development process, and it has been playing the role to a greater extent in recent days. Yes, as the recent days it is given according to the it is not given in this COVID-19 situation, but the present days, if I will currently we will talk about this mass communication. So you can say what a vital role it is played in pandemic, even though from 10 to 11 months it is going to be passed, and till the day we are just surviving just because of that mass communication. So that is the very good example for the present scenario. What we are, even I am able to teach you and you are not coming out from your house, then also we are continuing our study just because of the technology. So that unlike the other countries where the mass media provides more entertainment and education, the media in India and in other developing countries needs to play the role in providing information and education to the people. Thus, media is expected to be crystals in the process of the development in developing countries. So up to here we have discussed that how our life is fast changing in the world just because of the in the field of, we can say, talking about the communication technology, in the what is the vital role it is plays as a mass communication in developing the countries such as the India. And as I have given the right now example of the COVID-19, in these 11 months, how people they are able to do their job, even they are for the communication, passing the messages to one to other. So this is the best example for the mass communication. Now, media, children. Media refers to any kind of means used to convey information. Media is the source to convey the information. Convey the information means passing the information. Okay. Mass media refers to the type of media which is designed to reach or communicate with a large number of people at a time. In a same time, with the large number of people, when we talk to, if I will call to you, so it will be only the one-to-one person communication will be there. But any message is there which I have to give to the 100 of the people or 1,000 of the people, or suppose in the whole country we have to pass any message. So that is the best way of that, the mass media, where by the mass media we can communicate with a large number of people at a time. The various type of mass medias are there, children, as television, and television also cable network, satellite, etc. So by television, when we get the news in the same time, if you're watching the Aaj Tak, so many people in the same time they are watching the Aaj Tak and they are getting the news. Even for the entertainment also. Radio is also the mass media. Film and videos. As videos, I am sending to you people videos only. School is sending to you people videos only, where the whole class is watching the video. Yes. Film also sometime, most of the films you will say in the based on the some social issues or any other topic is there, after means any movie is there, after that you get one good lesson from that movie. Okay, so that is also the source of the mass media. Print media meaning is in a word only print is there, so the information which we get in the printing method. So that is the newspaper, magazine, direct mail also. These all are the part of the print media, children. Now electronic media, that is the email and the website, that is the electronic media which is used by the internet, and you know nowadays very well, you know how to use. Photography is also, that is the part of the mass media. So till here we have done about the media only. Okay, how that print media work, how the photography is work, है ना, for that how the film, videos, and newspaper, magazine, these all are internet, even the electronic as the by email, है ना, by website, these all are the various way of the mass media. Now new forms of media. Children, this chapter is very well you know before that only, but the theoretical part which you don't know, that I'm going to explain. Nowadays you people are the master in the word of that which I'm teaching you people. So new forms of media, children, a generic term for the many different forms of the electronic communication have developed through the use of computer technology. That is the new form of media. The term is in a relation to old media form, such as the newspaper and magazine. This is the old media forms that are state representation of text and graphics. So in newspaper and magazine, of course it is representation of the text, it is in a printing method, and graphics. And new forms of media is what, which is include, you are more friendly with that, and nowadays you are in good practice of that, because a whole day you are using. Yes. So new forms of media, that is includes the website. So you know how to go on the website and search the things. So that is the website. Streaming audio and video, which you are getting every day from the school only. Chat room, very well known. In chat room you communicate, that is also for the communication only. Email, that your parents they know very well, even you also know very well if any information is there or the message we have to pass to everyone, so we can send email. Online communication, communities, web advertising, and virtual reality environments, digital cameras, internet, and mobile computing. So these all are the things which is the new forms of media which we are utilizing, and from these 10 to 11 months we are just depending on this new forms of media only, and we are using that, and that's the reason we are very easily we are able to communicate to each other, we are able to messaging you, even the teaching, even the learning, everything, that we are dependent on this new form of media. Right now also we are utilizing that only. Yes, children? Now, public opinion. Public opinion is aggregated of individual attitude or belief held by the adult population. In other words, we can say public opinion in the thought or belief of general masses regarding any issue, organization, or any other institution. So children, we have done up to new form of media and public opinion. So in this part we have done, in the first part we have done up to here only, children. So again I am repeating the topic which we have done. I am going very slowly that you should understand. So as this the chapter title is only understanding media and advertising. So again I am repeating the topic. As we are living in the fast changing world, this is the significant political and economic developments along with the changes in the field of communication technology towards the end of the 20th centuries that has left a deep impact on many institutions. As again I am telling you, as the media, that is not the new word for you people, children, as the media is the one such institution where it is influenced our life, even the shape up our ideas, the way of thinking, it has been changed, and how we can utilize our ideas, even our skill. Nowadays you are watching, children, people are just exploring that whatever they have a skill, they have an idea, they are just sharing with their friends. Even we are communicate, we are sharing our ideas, thoughts with the whole world. So that is, you can say, really it is shaped our ideas and other aspect of life also. It is, if you will see, the developing the countries, as in you will take the example of only the India only in a mass communication that has been effectively utilized for development purposes. Even not I am telling you developing the countries only, everyone is starting the developing their personality, their skill, even in the country's contribution also. So that is the vital role it is played by the mass communication, which we are gifted by that media, and it is have a positive role plays in the development process, and it has been playing this role in a greater extent recent days. Yes, even we are also communicate with each other because of this technology only. So media, that is refer any kind of means of use to convey the information, as I informed you, as I taught you, and that refers the type or the design to reach, communicate with a large number of people. That is the part of various types of mass media are there, children, as the television with the cable networks, satellite, etc., radio, film and videos, even print media, newspaper, magazine, photography, electronic, email, the website. These thing is the types of media. Even the new form of media, as I have taught you, as the old media is that is the print media, we can say, that is the representation of the text and graphics were there. But the new form of media which is include, as I have already taught, website, streaming audio and video, chat room, email, online communities, web advertising, virtual reality environments, internet, digital cameras, and mobile computing. So these all media which has influenced us in various way and play the key role in shaping our thoughts and views called the public opinion. So in part 1 up to here only we have done. Read this chapter, it is very interesting, and nowadays you are just busy with that only, that internet and mobile, and also really it will create the very good interest in the understanding this chapter. It will help you to understand more mass media. Is it clear? So till then, bye bye.